Want to stay updated on your Uber Eats orders? Let's learn how to turn on notifications. Hi, I'm Sio from Online Help Guide, and in today's video, I will show you how to enable Uber Eats notifications on your device. So let's get started. First, locate the Uber Eats app on your Android phone. Tap and hold on the Uber Eats app until a menu appears. Select the app info option from the menu. Scroll down and tap on the notifications option. Finally, tap on the toggle switch right beside the show notifications option and turn it on. And this is how you can turn on notifications on Uber Eats. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.